Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful, the alone we worship and the alone we pray, or have most of us is great way. In the name of Allah, I am starting this quiz competition program, qualifying round. And as you know, the complete rules and regulations of this round by Maulana Farooq Sahab. Thank you, Farooq Sahab, for being here. And this is a great opportunity for me that I am in front of you and I am posing the questions in front of the students. So, first of all, I want to clear you something, that in this round there will be no any type of negative marking. कोई भी negative marking नहीं की जाएगी. The marks will be given to you directly. If you will not give the answer, then there will be no marks. If you will give the answer, then there will be 10 marks, and if you will not give the answer, then there will be no marks deducted or no marks will be reduced from your marks score. So, first of all, please clap for the round starting. Clap for the round starting. We should motivate our participants of quiz competition program so that they will inshallah give the answers by the rest inshallah. So we start the general round. This is a qualifying round, and from the first group, which is Ibn Sina, I am going to posing the question. First, before posing the question, I want to tell you something, that there will be tricky questions from me, and you will enjoy the thrillness, you will enjoy the toughness, and you will enjoy the entertainment also from the questions, from the participant participating during that, and the thrilling will be there also. So this is not a simple program, this is a science quiz competition, so it will be more and more tough, more and more thrilling, and more interesting for you. So be ready, be aware, listen carefully the questions. So for Ibn Sina, I am posing the first question, which is on the screen, that all animals need food, air, and dash to survive. The times start now.
Water.
MashaAllah. That's the correct answer, and the correct answer is water. Please give 10 points for the Quran. Now, the question is posing to next group, which is Ibn Sina. The question is on your screen, what is Earth's only natural satellite? Again, I am repeating the question, what is Earth's only natural satellite? The options are Moon, Venus, Uranus, or Pole Star. Yes, that's the correct answer, and the correct answer is Moon. Now, the question will be goes to the next group, which is Jabir ibn Hayyan. And the question is on the screen. The tree has a branch filled with green what? Hairs, roots, leaves, or trunk? Say it loudly, I am not able to understand. The time is reducing, say it loudly.
Leaves.
MashaAllah, that's the correct answer. The answer is leaves. The answering method will be loudly and clearly. If you will not give the answer clearly, then it is late for you. If the time will over, I will not take it for a marks, I will not take it for a consideration. So be aware for questioning and answering during this activity. So from the three groups, the first question have been completed. One question I have asked. Now this is second round of this qualifying competition where again one question will be there of same general questions of science quiz. So for Ibn Qurra group, the question is, what part of the body helps you move? The options are eyes, lungs, muscles or heart.
Muscles.
MashaAllah. Before time we started, the answers have been given. Yes, your answer is correct, as you know in the screen. Muscles is the correct answer. For the next group, Ibn Sina, the question is on the screen that the two holes of the nose are called what? Eyelid, nostril, hairs or nails?
Nostril.
I do not get what you are saying. Say it clearly.
Nostril.
Say it clearly. I am not getting.
Nostril.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is nostril. The answer should be given clearly. If you will not give the answer clearly, the time will be less for you. The time will be not sufficient for you. So in a one chance only you have to give the clear answer so that the time will not waste. Now for the Jabir ibn Hayyan group, I am posing the next question which is on the screen, that what star shine in the day and provides light? Again, what star shines in the day and provides light? The options are moon, Venus, Mars, sun. The options are moon, Venus, Mars, sun.
Sun.
Okay, yes, your answer is correct, and the correct answer is sun. MashaAllah, from the every group, the options have been given. Please clap. Okay now. So, inshallah, our next round will be started. That will be the rapid fire round. And for this, I want to welcome Salman sir to take this rapid fire round and complete the program.
الحمدللہ ہمارا یہ پہلا راؤنڈ بحسن خوبی اپنے اختتام پر پہنچا۔ اس پر میں سب سے پہلے آصف سر کا شکریہ ادا کرتا ہوں اور یہ اشعار ان کی خدمت میں پیش کرتا ہوں کہ پھول و گل شمس و قمر سارے ہی تھے، پھول و گل شمس و قمر سارے ہی تھے، پر ان میں ہمیں تم ہی بھائے بہت۔ معزز حاضرین، اب ہم اپنے اگلے راؤنڈ کی طرف بڑھتے ہیں اور اگلا راؤنڈ ریپڈ فائر ہے۔ مناسب معلوم ہوتا ہے کہ اس کے رول سے بھی آپ کو آگاہ کر دیا جائے، چنانچہ ملاحظہ فرمائیے کہ ہر گروپ کو اس راؤنڈ میں کل 1 منٹ کا وقت دیا جائے گا۔ ہر صحیح جواب پر 10 نمبرات ہوں گے۔ سوال اسکپ کرنے کا آپ کو پورا اختیار ہوگا۔ اگر جواب نہ آئے تو سوچنے میں وقت برباد کیے بغیر آپ سوال کا جواب نہ دیتے ہوئے سوال پاس کر سکتے ہیں۔ آپ کے نمبرات بالکل مائنس نہیں ہوں گے۔ چنانچہ میں اس راؤنڈ کے لیے بہت ہی ادب کے ساتھ سلمان سر کو اس شعر کے ساتھ دعوت دیتا ہوں کہ نمایاں ہو کے دکھلا دے کبھی ان کو جمال سلمان، بہت مدت سے چرچے ہیں تیرے مدرسہ رحمہ میں۔ تالیوں کے ساتھ استقبال کیجیے سلمان سر۔